Hey guys, if you are already a GoHighLevel user and use their default survey builder to build your survey, then you know that recently they updated their default survey builder. And then the good news is now they added some extra functionality to make your survey looks good. So let me show you the example. Okay, previously you did not able to make this type of survey by default, but to do this you needed to add some kind of custom css and javascript code to implement this type of design. Okay, but without that code the design was looks like this one. Okay, so the form is at the top of the page, and the bottom the progress bar, and the submit button at the very bottom of the page, right? So it's actually not looks good. That's why they updated the design, and now without any custom css or javascript or any type of coding, you can make this type of survey. Okay, so let me go back to the survey builder and show you how you can do this. Okay, so here I am on the survey builder, and you already know that you can add as many element you want, like the first name, last name, email address, or whatever information you want to add on your survey. You can do this by dragging the element from here. Okay, like this. Let me show you an example. Let's say I want to put state here, then all I need to just drag and drop. Okay, but in this case I'm not going to use this because I already added some slides here on my survey, though it's a demo. Okay, and then now you can make the style from here. Okay, so first of all it will be closed like this. So once you click style and options, then it will open this type of pop-up, and just scroll a bit down and you will see enable new footer. Okay, so this is the new option for you to make the survey looks like the css design, like this one. Okay, so all you just need to activate this. Okay, just click this toggle button here, enable new footer, and then it will give you another option. It should be sticky, stick to survey or not. Okay, so make sure that it's sticky on your survey so that the button is under the each slide. Okay, so once the slide goes on, each slide will show this button, and at the very bottom, you very last slides, you will see the submit button. Okay, so now one more thing I want to show you. If you want to change the color of your survey, I mean the survey bottom, the button color, the bottom footer color, if you want to change the color, then you can put the code here. Here is the option background fill. Okay, you can put the color code here. So if you don't know which color you need to put, then all you just need to go to here, the Canva color wheel. Okay, so this will actually give you the color option, and it will match with your branding and everything. Okay, so all you need to put your primary color. Let's say if I want to put the primary color as green. Okay, so if we select that green, and you can see here we have the color combination. Okay, we have two different colors. So once you use this color wheel, then make sure use this monochromatic option. Okay, so just select it from here, the monochromatic, and then put your primary color. If I want to put this type of pink, then you can see we have two different color. One is a deeper and one is a bit lighter. Okay, so this is actually help you to make your color combination for the button. Okay, so let me put the orange one. Okay, this one is good, looks good, so I will put the orange one. Okay, so all I need to click this code. Okay, and then it will be copied automatically on your clipboard, and then go back to your survey, click here and put the new code. Okay, here is it. I'm just replacing. Yeah, so you can see the color is now good. And then on the submit button you can also change the color if you like, but I think this one looks good. So my footer is a lighter and the button color is a bit deeper orange. Okay, so if I save it, let me save it and then preview so that we can see how it actually looks like. Okay, so preview. Okay, so finally you can see the survey is looks like the one we just designed inside the survey builder. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to remove this border, okay, you can see here is a border. If you want to remove this border, then you can also do that now. Just open the css editor, okay, the style, and then find out the option called border. Okay, so I think here it will be, okay, the placeholder, the label, shadow, padding, and here is it. Okay, the border. Okay, so just put the 0 pixel, okay, border, and then you are good to go. So you can also change from here if you like. Okay, and if you don't want to show any type of, then select none, and then 0. Okay, border 0 pixel, and the color can be anything, because the 0 pixel will actually not show anything. Okay, so if I save and go back to the survey, okay, let me preview this. Okay, so now the border actually removed. So if you want to use this uh, survey on your page, you can embed that, or you can also select this on your page anywhere you want to replace this survey. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope it's helpful for you. If you find this helpful, then feel free to like and comment on our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, because we are making so many different type of custom elements, custom code snippets for GoHighLevel to make your funnels looks good and professional. Thank you very much for watching this video.